Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals -8. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So if you're talking about the rational functions consist of numerators and denominators. And if you're talking about a vertical asymptote, that means you're talking about the denominators. Denominator must have an expression when you solve for 0, when you're making it equal 0 and solve for x, that should give you -8. What expression should that be? Then it must be x plus 8, because when I solve x plus 8 by making it equal 0 for x, this gives me x equals -8. So this is the logic, and we're looking for the choices which has x plus 8 in the denominator section. So choice A didn't have it, we can go ahead and eliminate it. Choice B didn't have it. Choice C doesn't have any x plus 8 in it. But the choice D, we have x plus 8. And these cancel each other out. And this becomes x minus 5 over x plus 8. So the final answer is choice D for this specific question. So this is how you solve this type of questions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.